Next in CSS, we are going to design vertical navigation bar. So this is our vertical navigation bar. Navigation bar is generally a list of links which leads us to some other page. So this is our vertical navigation bar. This is our text, and here we have got a scroll bar. Even though we are scrolling the page, this navigation bar is not moving up and down. So to design this page, this is our basic HTML code, and in this code we are in body section we are going to give a list of links. So UL for unordered list. In this UL, this is our li, and later on we'll be creating a class. So that class is active, and here these links right now are going to be a dummy link. Here we will change it to country. Here it will be about us, and okay, and last will be contact. So these are the list of links which we have created. Save it and go live. So right now our page is looking like this. Now first of all we have to remove these bullets. So for that, here in head section, this is a style tag, and within this style tag I'm giving UL and list style type to none. This is going to remove all the bullets from that list. So it is looking like this. Bullets are removed. Next, we want to remove these underlines. So for that, here UL LIA, and here we'll be giving text decoration to none. So it has removed our underline. Next, we want to give background color to this. So here background color, and here we are selecting some shade of blue. So this is the background color for that list. So our page is looking like this. It has gone from left hand to right hand. So we have to reduce its width. So here we will be giving width to, yeah, I'm giving 200 pixel. Save, and so it has reduced its width. We can reduce it even more also. So here I'm giving it, instead of 200 I'm giving it to 150 pixel. Okay, fine. Next we want to remove this margin. So here in style tag, here I'm giving margin to 0. and padding is also 0. And second thing we are going to do is here setting the font size to be I'm taking 30 pixel. So this is how it is looking in our web page. Next we have to change the text color of these links. So here we have to give color white, and also we can give padding here. Here we are giving padding of 10 pixel. Save, and right now it is looking like this. Next we want to make this whole area, that is this blue area, also clickable, because when we are under this home we can see that our cursor is in the form of pointer. When we are here it is not in the form of pointer. So to make this whole area clickable, here we have to give uh, display to block. This is going to make that whole area clickable. So we can see that here also it is in the form of a pointer, and here if we are clicking it is going to take us to this home page. Next we want that the background color of this first topmost link should be different. So here we have already mentioned a class active, and here we'll be making that class, and here I'm giving background color, it is blue. Save, and you can see that its background color has changed. Next thing we want that whenever we are hovering over these links, their background color should change. So here we have to give ul ally a, and when we hover over these links, then its background color should change to some shade of blue. Right now when we are hovering over it, its color is changing. Now next we want that background color of this whole page should be different. So here we are giving body, and here I'm giving background color to be this. So it has changed its background color. Now I want to put some text here. So here after unordered list we'll be giving paragraph tag, and within this paragraph tag we are writing lorem into 20 multiplied by 20. This is going to give you lots of text. Save it and go live. We can see that we have got a text here. Next we want that this text should start from somewhere here, and this navigation strip should go up to bottom. So for that, here in ul we have to give position to fixed. Save it, and this is how it is looking right now. Now we have to increase its length from the top of the screen to the bottom of the screen. So for that, here we have to give height also. I'm setting height to 100%. Save, and now we can see that its height has been increased. Next thing, we want that this paragraph is hiding behind this navigation bar. So we want to put it, give some space here. So here we are using paragraph element, and here we are giving margin left and to 250 pixel. So it has uh, given some space in between this navigation bar and margin. We can reduce this space to 200 pixel. So this is our vertical navigation bar, and these are all the dummy links which are not going to take us to anywhere. And even when we are scrolling the page, that navigation bar is not going up. Only the text here is going up and down.